Hello, beautiful souls. Wherever you are on the earth plane, the highest in me bows to the highest in you. Let's embark on this journey by invoking the blessings of the element of fire. If you may, please imagine yourself connecting to the beautiful light, and as we light this incense, may we commit to honoring the light within us and to honoring the light of those around us. The power of the fire is extremely potent. It can be used for destruction, or it can actually be used for creation. So my intention is that may we be able to create a very beautiful community for ourselves. So first of all, let me express my deep gratitude to all those wonderful people who accepted the invitation and chosen to be part of this group. It's beautiful because what you've really done is you've come in a place of surrender, because there are so many of y'all who don't even know me uh, as a person. We've never connected, but the beauty being that, beyond this mind, beyond this body, beyond all of these feelings is a more purer version of myself, and there's a very purer version of yourself beyond your body, beyond your mind, beyond your feelings, and those versions are one and the same, and that is how we are all connected by the law of nature. And what I'm really trying to do is, we guys are going to embark on this journey collectively so that we can keep tapping into the purity of our being more and more as we go on this journey. What are we really doing is we are just surrendering ourselves to the divine source, because when we are in this human existence, one big instrument at play is our mind, and a mind has many different aspects to it. So some of the aspects are the ego aspects, and some of the aspects are the spiritual aspects, right? And this entire life is just a play of being able to come out of the uh, matrix of the ego mind and trying to stay aligned more and more to our spiritual mind.